Alright, ciao, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity and welcome to the series So What's for Dinner. This is a couple of minutes for me to show you what I am preparing for tonight testing for Meals for Longevity based on the studies of the Mediterranean diet. So on the menu today we have, let's see, over here I have a soup that I'm going to finish. Almost time to start dinner. This is an asparagus soup. I'm gonna add some decoration asparagus tips and a little bit of tomatoes, and I'm going to serve it. So let's go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna bring it back to boil about 2-3 minutes. Over here I have cauliflower, broccoli, red onion, garlic. Them sauteing very quick, and then I'm going to serve it with some barley. And tonight entree I have a Mahi that we're going to be broiling, and I have some lemon. So we'll go ahead and start the final process. First it was marinated with salt, paprika, and extra virgin olive oil for about 30 minutes and fresh thyme. Now we're going to put the lemon, and in about 5 minutes I'm going to put it in the pan in the oven. So we're going to, let's finish the bread together. I have some ciabatta bread. I'm cooking tonight for 2 people. So this is serving of ciabatta bread for 2, about 50 grams each person. So let's go ahead and refresh this for 12 minutes. This, if you glance this, these are stuffed peppers for me tomorrow. This is actually to reheat for tomorrow. The day after they taste even better. 2 peppers that are stuffed with ground beef and brown rice, topped with mozzarella, cooked in tomato sauce. And 2 of those, it's considered a full dinner or full lunch. So I'm gonna have that for dinner tomorrow evening with my wife, just 2 slices of bread, and that will be my dinner. So thank you for watching my videos. Again, my name is Chef Giuseppe, and my website is mealsforlongevity.com. Subscribe to this channel. Subscribe also to the newsletter on the website, so I can start sending you as I publish these recipes, because this is the final testing. As I finish to test this around number 3, 4, 5, sometimes I test it for 6 times, I'll go ahead and send you a note if you subscribe that the recipes are ready to be downloaded, and you can buy them for $1. And then down the road, next year, month of January or February, we'll publish the DIY Mediterranean diet meal builder. It's a big name, it's long, maybe I gotta make it shorter. Anyways, that's the tool that is gonna help you to put all these recipes together to be compliant with the latest update of the Mediterranean diet. Ciao from Chef Giuseppe.